Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be talking about the popular stock SBE, which in case y'all don't know, is acquiring or in talks of acquiring Chargepoint, which is an electric vehicle charging station company. They specialize in setting up these charging stations. Now, before we get into the video, I'd like to remind you guys that I do have a free Discord in the description below. If you want to join this, we're really active during market open. So if you need to talk to me, ask me a question while the market is open, go ahead, hop in this, and then I will get to your question. So let's hop into SBE. Let's break it down from a technical standpoint like we always do and talk about levels that I'm watching. Now, once again, if y'all did not know, Chargepoint is a company that provides electric vehicle charging stations. They set it up for commercial use, they do it for fleets, they do it for people at home. So they have just a company where they set up these charging stations. And as we know, as more and more of these electric cars are coming around, we'll need these charging stations. So this is an awesome company and they're doing amazing work. Now, I've broken down SBE before. In my private group, we talked about this stock and we've been really watching it. Now, if you would like to join the private membership, it is in the description below as well. I go live with them every single night. I talk about different stocks that they want me to do. So if you need a more personal level to help your trading, consider joining that. Once again, it's only $10.99 a month. And if you need help joining, join my free Discord and I'll get you set up. Now, let's talk about SBE from a technical standpoint. So this week, I've been really watching it. We had the breakout. So we were doing this ascending triangle play. We had the resistance at 37.22, and then this week, that's when we really broke out. So on Monday, we broke out. Now, I did not expect this. So I had this level charted at 42.94. I had this at a resistance because we know this is a resistance level because every time buyers try to come up, we get rejected. We get pushed down. Same over here. So this week, we knew that if we were going to be bullish, we had to first get above 37.22, which we did. And then actually we had a dip buy opportunity yesterday. Notice how it came and touched my exact support level. We touched 37.22 and we knew that this was a strong support because we touched it many times before. So if we knew that buyers were coming in, they were going to pick it up right here. Now, yesterday we continued this upward momentum. We pushed up. We pushed past resistance at 42.94 and we closed above it. Today was another amazing day. We pushed up. We hit highs of 48.74, but we became screaming down and continued to sell off for the other part of the day today. Now, we did hold this level at 42.94, so I'm not bearish momentarily on SBE until we break below 42.94. So if you're looking for a good dip buy opportunity, maybe the 42.94 is an area that you want to consider. Now, if I were to get in at 42.94 to just trade this, my stop loss would be right at 41.35. I'd get out of it and wait to look for another greater dip buy opportunity at 37.22. Now, if you're in SBE, if you got an entry down here at $30, you're doing great. Congratulations. I would consider for you to implement a trailing stop loss. That means as the stock pushes up, you move your stop loss up as well. So when we do get those pullbacks, you tag out and you're able to take that profit. So that's what I would recommend if you were trailing this up. Now, going into tomorrow's session, once again, I like to remind you that it is half a day, so I don't expect too much, but we still need to hold this area at 42.94. No matter what, we need to hold this area because if we don't, then we're probably heading back down to 37.22. And we've been on this massive tear, so a dip buy to 37.22 wouldn't be alarming to me. I wouldn't be concerned if we do get that dip buy to 37.22. But I like what SBE is doing, I like what the company they're acquiring is doing, which is Chargepoint. So this might be a company that you just want to invest in long term. So if you're looking to just invest long term, then these dips really don't matter to you. You can add on at any level. You can actually get on at any level because you're buying it because you enjoy the company. And just looking at their website, they're doing amazing things. As you can see, they've already delivered 86 million charges. Wow. Just look at that number. So they're going to keep delivering it as, electric vehicles become more and more popular as we continue to grow this era where we're just focusing on electric vehicles. So this is an amazing company. I'd consider just holding long term. But our primary goal is to get good deals. So you don't want to get in and watch it just continue to ride down. So as an investor and as a trader, you're still trying to find good deals. So you're patient and you watch for these levels. Now, if I was watching SBE, like I said, 42.94 may be a good level to get into, watch it, see how we react tomorrow. If we fall through this level tomorrow though, I would expect a deeper pullback to 37.22. So when you're looking at SBE, consider the pullbacks and consider getting in for good deals. As an investor and a trader, you're here to make money, not lose money. So you need to get good deals. Yes, it may dip momentarily, but for the longer picture, I do believe in Chargepoint. I think it's an amazing company. So I hope that this video did help you. Maybe consider where Chargepoint's going. Now let me real quick chart out a resistance area that we do need to watch out for. So obviously we knew that 48.80 is the next resistance level because that's all-time highs, and as soon as we hit this, we came screaming down. So guys, that's the next area we'll be looking at, because if we do get up to that area again, we may get rejected. So this is how I would trade SBE going to tomorrow's session. I wouldn't want us getting below 42.94. I have my stop loss at 41.30. And guys, I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, consider subscribing because it really does help my channel grow. And I will see you all in the next video.